Everyone wants something: a better body, a different job, more money, more peace. But here's the brutal truth: most people never get it. Not because they're lazy, not because they're not smart, but because they never created the right mindset, systems, and space to get it. So today, let's do it right. Let me show you exactly, step by step, how to achieve anything you truly want in life. Not just a motivational talk, but a full-on blueprint. The pressure that makes dreams real. Without this, you'll quit every time. Let me ask you something simple. If your goals were life or death, would you treat them differently? Most people treat their goals like a wish list, but here's the truth. If your goal feels optional, you'll treat it that way. To achieve big things, you need pressure, the good kind, the kind that pushes you to move. Here's how to create that pressure. Write a letter from your future self filled with regret. Use countdowns. Give your dream a deadline. Make it public. Now you're accountable. Pressure turns maybe into must. That's how transformation begins. 2. Finding the goal that actually matters. What do you really want? Most people don't fail because they can't achieve things. They fail because they're chasing goals that don't even belong to them. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? Not what sounds impressive, not what society approves of, but what actually lights you up. Use this clarity prompt. What excites me? What frustrates me about where I am now? What do I secretly envy? What would I pursue if I knew I couldn't fail? You need a goal so real it makes you emotional, because only real goals create real action. 3. The strategy map, from dream to done. You know the destination, now build the road. The mountain looks scary until you realize you're only taking one step at a time. Also, create systems. Time block your day, have a Sunday review session, track progress weekly. Success isn't a mystery, it's a method. And when the method is clear, action becomes natural. The invisible work that no one sees. The boring reps that build greatness. Everyone talks about goals. No one talks about the daily repetitions it takes to actually get there. Here's the truth. Success is often quiet, boring, and unglamorous. These are your everyday weapons. Show up even when it's inconvenient. Learn something new every day. Review your progress weekly. Speak about your dream like it's already real. Say no to what doesn't serve your mission. If your habits feel repetitive, you're doing it right. Repetition builds rhythm, and rhythm builds results. 5. Stop planning, start building. One dream, one deadline, one mission. Let's make this simple. If your goal doesn't have a timeline, it'll stay a wish. So break it down into 30-day missions. Want to get fit? 30-day full-body workout challenge. Want to become a content creator? 4 videos in 30 days? Want to earn online? Launch 3 digital products this month. Projects give urgency. They bring focus. They force you to finish. You don't need a 5-year plan. You need a 30-day project that proves you're serious. 6. The habit shift that changes everything. You don't need motivation, you need this. Habits are your hidden superpower. They work quietly, building you or breaking you. Here are 5 habits that change the game. Start your day without your phone. Protect your attention. Dedicate 1 sacred hour daily for your goal. No excuses. Use habit stacking. Attach new habits to existing routines. Reflect every Sunday. Progress review plus next week's plan. Reward yourself emotionally. Celebrate micro wins. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. Every single day. 7. The art of letting go. Cut the noise, build the dream. Most of us are drowning in things we need to let go of. To rise higher, you need to get lighter. Here's what to cut. Endless scrolling, energy-draining people, saying yes to everything, doubt loops, and negative self-talk. Every time you remove a distraction, your focus sharpens. Every time you cut a toxic pattern, your energy returns. Letting go isn't loss, it's space for something better. Your future is waiting, go get it. You have everything you need, except a decision. The life you want is real, but it's waiting on you to stop overthinking and start executing. So here's the challenge. Today, not tomorrow, take the first small step toward your real goal, because if it matters to you, it's possible for you. Now go get it. Drop your biggest goal in the comments, and let's hold each other accountable. Drop a comment below. Every click brings us closer. Subscribe for more stories.